Well, this is what happens to our sleepy little river when we get about 6 inches of rain here and who knows how much upstream. You can see all the logs and tree trash floating by, and occasionally you'll see a lawn chair or water cooler or somebody's garbage come running down. This is how the river flushes itself out, cleans itself up. In another week or two it'll be back to normal and clear and cool again, but right now it is like a freight train going down the stream. Where I'm pointing at now, normally there's a little island right in the middle where those trees are, those big old cypress trees are, but it's covered up. There's a little channel right on the other side that's normally just a little place for the kayakers to go, but it's way beyond that. It's way over its banks right now, and it's about 3 or 4 feet above normal for us. We've got about, I'm sitting on a staircase and the bottom 3 steps are covered up, which is about 2 feet in height, plus another couple of feet down to the river normally. So here we are. It's something. So it's powerful, and you don't want to mess with Mother Nature, that's for sure. It's not a place you want to go canoe or kayak or anything right now, unless you're suicidal.